If you live in Knoxville and want to make your home more energy efficient, upgrading your windows with professional installation is one of the smartest steps you can take. Many older homes in the area have outdated windows that allow drafts, heat, and cold to sneak in, forcing your heating and cooling system to work overtime. By investing in new, professionally installed windows, you can save money on energy bills and enjoy a more comfortable home all year long. One of the main benefits of professional window installation is proper sealing and fitting. Even high-quality windows won't perform as expected if they aren't installed correctly. Gaps, poor insulation, and improper alignment can let air leak around the window frames. Professional installers have the training and tools to make sure each window fits snugly, with the right weatherproofing to block air infiltration. That means your HVAC system won't have to struggle to keep up, reducing your energy consumption and your monthly utility costs. Energy-efficient windows are built to improve your home's thermal performance. Many feature double, even triple panes of glass, filled with insulating gas, as well as low emissivity, low E coatings that reflect heat in the summer and keep warm inside during the winter. When these windows are installed by an experienced professional, you can maximize their benefits. This can help stabilize indoor temperatures, making your living space more comfortable no matter what East Tennessee's weather is doing outside. Beyond comfort and savings, modern window installations can also add value to your home. Buyers in Knoxville are increasingly looking for energy-efficient features, especially with rising energy prices. New, high-performance windows can make your property more attractive if you decide to sell in the future. Professional installers can help you choose the best style, frame material, and glass options to suit your budget and your home's architecture, so you get both curb appeal and energy efficiency in one upgrade. Another reason to trust professional installation is safety and warranty protection. Many energy-efficient windows come with warranties that may be voided by improper installation. Licensed installers follow the manufacturer's specifications to preserve your warranty coverage, giving you peace of mind in case something goes wrong down the line. They also know how to handle potential issues, like water damage or structural challenges around your existing window openings, so you don't face costly surprises later. If you've noticed drafty rooms, high energy bills, or uncomfortable temperature swings in your Knoxville home, replacing your windows could be the answer. A professional window contractor can assess your current windows and recommend options that fit your needs and budget. They will also handle the installation process from start to finish, ensuring your new windows work as they should right away. When you think about the long-term benefits, lower utility bills, greater comfort, higher home value, and a reduced carbon footprint, professionally installed energy-efficient windows are a wise investment. Knoxville homeowners can take advantage of local contractors who know the region's climate and building styles, ensuring the job is done right. In the end, professional window installation is about more than just putting in glass. It's about protecting your home, saving money, and improving your daily life. If you're ready to make your home more energy efficient, talk to a trusted window installer in Knoxville today. You'll notice the difference in your comfort and your energy bills in no time.